I don't know why when I was growing up I was never taught to cook Chinese food. My grandma, she went onto a website called Sous Chef and she ordered me this box, and within this box it's got loads of ingredients in, but specifically it's got a cookbook. I think it's called Every Grain of Rice, and within this cookbook it teaches you loads of really good cooking techniques. I've learned so much from it, and I don't know why more people don't cook Chinese food, because it's so easy and it's so delicious. In this video I'm going to make salt and pepper squid, which is my favourite kind of starter that I've done, and anybody can do it. So firstly, we start by chopping up the chilies, the garlics and the spring onion. And now the scary part, the squid. And also squids look a bit scary too. It's kind of like a little alien. I've now cross-hatched the squid and I'm gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces. It kind of looks a little bit like the ghost icon on Snapchat. Alright, so the next thing we're adding is this Shaoxing wine. It's difficult to describe what it smells like. It's kind of like appley, vinegary, spicy. Words aren't working. I don't think spicy is the right word. I'm just going to drain off the excess liquid that's on here, so when we put it into the deep fryer it goes nice and crispy. The next ingredient that we're adding is potato starch, and it is amazing. You know when you get a crispy chili beef from the Chinese takeaway, it's a little bit more doughy. This is the stuff. It's so good. And we're just gonna put, I don't know, like 3 tablespoons of this potato starch into the bowl, mix it all around, and then we're groovy, we're ready to go and deep fry it. Perfect. So I'm gonna do it in batches because I need all the pieces not to stick. I want them a very light golden brown. So if you can see with this piece, it's really lightly golden. And this oil is just popping everywhere. Does that mean I've got the heat too high? Oh my god. Okay, so the squid is done-ish. It's been deep fried, and now all I need to do is I need to heat up this pan, chuck in the garlic, chuck in the chili, return the squid, toss it all together, add some salt, pepper, some Chinese spice. But I want the chilies in, I want the garlic in, and then the whites of the spring onion. This dish was so easy to make and so delicious. Honestly, that Shaoxing, or however you say it, wine that gets put into it is so aromatic, and you can taste it when you're eating the squid. It's such an easy dish to do, an experience, and afterwards you'll see that doing it at home and doing it an authentic way is way nicer than you're going to get it at any casual dining restaurant. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've really enjoyed making them, and yeah, enjoy!